to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Startup investors look for revenue traction and momentum in the deal. Those with an idea only can struggle to raise funding, but it can be done. Here are some key points to consider. Focus on the team, the problem, and the size of the market. Show the strength of the team. The most compelling indicator is the previous startup experience and exits of the team. Highlight the key insight the team has regarding the problem. Show overwhelming evidence that the team can build and sell the product. Show how compelling the problem is with dollar figures and number of people impacted. And show how other startups are doing well in the sector. This validates that there's a market and others are having success. Show the strong relationships and partnerships the team has with key players in the market, and highlight the immediate opportunities available to the team. Without revenue traction, it's difficult for the investor to know the product will work and the customer will buy it. Raising on an idea alone works best when the target market segment is hot and everyone knows it. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.